Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí iléeṣẹ́ wa. Ọdẹ ọdún bí ṣe dáadáa la bá yín. Yoruba nation no going back náà ṣì ni o. Yoruba nation la fẹ́. Ní báyìí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, Ọlọ́run ti gbàdúrà wa o. A ò ní ṣe lásán. Lágbára Elédùà, a ò ní ṣe lásán. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ rí wòlíì yìí? Wòlíì tẹ́ ń wò yìí ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ jáde o. Wòlíì yìí ti pe ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ṣàkíyèsí ńlá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, wòlíì yìí ti jẹ́ kí ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu mọ̀ wípé ó ní láti tètè ṣe nǹkan tí àwọn ènìyàn fẹ́ o, pàápàá jùlọ àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá nation. Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ní láti tètè ṣe nǹkan tí àwọn ènìyàn fẹ́. Ebi ń pa àwọn ará ìlú, ìgboro ti dàrú o. Pásítọ̀ yìí ti jáde síta, in fact wòlíì ni, wòlíì àgbà. Ó ti pariwo síta wípé kí ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu tètè wá wọ̀rọ̀ kan fi ṣàdá o, nítorí pé láìpẹ́, bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ láìpẹ́, àwọn èèyàn máa tú jáde, wọ́n máa tú yáyá, wọn yóò tú yàyà, wọn yóò sì ṣe nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé kò ní dùn mọ́ ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu nínú. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Yorùbá nation tá à ń pariwo no going back ni o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, kò sí nǹkan kan táwọn Fúlàní yìí tán lè fi tàn yín, tán lè fi tàn wá tá a máa gbọ́. Àwọn Fúlàní tẹ́ ń rí wọ́n ń ṣàwọn èèyàn téèyàn lè máa bá ṣeré o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ ló ṣe rí. All right, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter. Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what it is. Exactly what the people are talking about. Now, with the news reaching us, this Prophet Ikuru, implores Tinubu to act fast. Yes, I see serious protest in Nigeria because of hunger and then hardship. This prophet had made it clear to the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. All right, by Collins Nwocha, according to the news, it's a prophet Godwin Ikuru of Jehovah Eye Salvation Ministry has established himself as the prophet of the nation. His accurate and precise prophecies for the nation and then other countries of the world has solidified and then cemented his position as the #1 prophet in Nigeria. Just as he prophesied the protest and the violence in Kenya, the prophetic Hall of Fame has implored the Nigerian government to act fast and solve the problem of hunger, hardship, and food security, in fact, food scarcity in Nigeria, in order to avert the protest and the chaos he is seeing in the realm of the spirit. He made it clear that few weeks ago, he said, and I quote, "I was speaking with my daughter in Kenya. As I was speaking to her, the Spirit of God revealed something to me. I told her that I see catastrophe and then chaos in Kenya. She said that she is not in the government, so it doesn't concern her because she is a trader. Behold, when trouble erupted in Kenya, she couldn't go for her business for 1 week." He implored the government to tackle food scarcity and then hardship with immediate effect. The government needs to tackle hardship and then hunger fast, because what I am seeing in the realm of the spirit is grave, acute, and then unpleasant, because it is going to lead to protest and the chaos in Nigeria. Hunger and hardship are two strong forces that can compel defiance at any level. I want to appeal to the state governors and then churches to help in the fight against hunger and then hardship, because everyone will be affected. Nigerians are not recalcitrant, but something could propel it. The state government should intensify efforts to feed and provide food for the people in their state. Sellers should shun the greedy act of selling at exorbitant rates. Reduce prices of food stuff so that people can afford them. I love this nation so much, and then I don't want any calamity to befall my dear nation. I remain the prophetic hall of fame. All right, and this is exactly what has just reached us. Baba God, now your hand with there. Now, this prophet had made a very great statement that the president should, as a matter of urgency, act fast before it is too late. At first, I see serious protests in Nigeria because of hunger and then hardship. Prophet Ikiru implores Tinubu. Now, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what we are talking about. Yes, chaos is imminent soon because of hunger that is spreading like fire. Okay, that's another one. Well, meanwhile, everybody needs to wake up, and then we are getting a lot of things that are happening in the country though, and then right now this prophet of God had actually said a lot of things, and then we just need to be very vigilant, be watchful and prayerful. A lot of atrocities are happening in the country as we speak. Nobody is happy, everyone is complaining. Baba God, now your hand you did. That's exactly what we are talking about. And then with all these things that have been said, hunger, protests will come up, will erupt. My brother, my sister, a lot of things have been said that as far as this country is concerned, the best thing we need to be happy, a lot of prophets have made it clear, is let us get this nation divided. Let everybody go his separate ways. Olúkálùkù máa lọ ń lọ nǹkan kan ṣoṣo tó lè mú kí ìlú kó tùbà kó tùṣẹ́ nìyẹn o. My brother, my sister, this is so serious. Yoruba nation is the only solution. Either they like it or not, Yoruba nation is the only answer. And then right now we have seen a lot of handwriting written on the wall. Majority of monarchs have come out. Majority of prophets have made it clear that the best thing for us is to get separated. And our prayer is that the good Lord will continue to help us all. Yeah, so this is exactly what it is. Onto this one, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.